Wait, are you pouring juice on the chicken? Yeah, to make an amazing orange chicken. Hi friends, I'm Palayo. This is Saladolandia. I'll help you sort out your meal in just 5 minutes. Because we're going to make orange chicken without marinating, with an amazing sauce. Don't miss it, you're going to love it. For a good orange chicken, you don't need much time, but you do need good juice. So if you squeeze fresh orange juice, that's even better. Alternatively, crush or grate 2-3 garlic cloves into a paste. That's enough. You put it in a cup or any container and add salt to taste so it gives that touch to the whole recipe. Also black pepper and, an important detail, a tablespoon of honey so that everything blends perfectly later. You're going to mix this well and combine it with the ½ liter of orange juice you squeezed earlier. If you don't have it, you can buy a good quality one, but freshly squeezed is even better. Mix it very well and set a little aside, because now we're going to grab a good pot. We pour in a generous splash of oil and wait for it to heat up. Then we brown the pieces of chicken in it. You can use chicken leg quarters, in this case just the drumsticks, but like I said, you can use any part you want. At my house, we love drumsticks, so it's all drumsticks here. We're going to place them in, brown them on one side, and then turn them over so they brown on both sides. This way the meat gets sealed, keeping all the juices inside, and it turns out much tastier and juicier. Afterwards, we add that mixture of lemon juice and the other ingredients, and now it's underway. Some people also add a bit of chicken broth to this sauce to make the mixture even smoother, but I'll leave that up to you. Just using orange juice is delicious. Cover it and cook over medium heat for about 10 or 15 minutes until you see that the chicken is tender. And cook to the point you like, but make sure to shake the pot like this from time to time so the flavors mix really well. Look at how it looks. Voila, what a dish. Look at how amazing it looks. A bit of chicken, a bit of joy, and a ton of flavor. With very little work, it's all benefits. Hand me a plate. Well, don't you feel like having some? Sink your teeth in, try the sauce, dip some bread, grab a piece of chicken and eat it. Delicious. I hope you like the idea, and if you think of another flavor that goes well with chicken, let me know in the comments below so we can all share ideas. You can also watch this other video that YouTube says you'll love.